Hello, hello. Okay, I hope I am audible. Quite audible and stuff. Right, nice. Gold daily is flipping. Okay, okay. It mean eventually gold is at this zone. This is a rejection zone for gold, right? 1 hour is okay. It is okay. Let's wait for this 5 minute to close bullish, right? If it closes bullish, we will be looking for the buys. Yeah, I know it's a counter trend trade, but let's see what it is. And so yeah. Four hours broken. Let's see. Let's see. Market will reject for sure. Let's see when. Eventually, I'm in a sells from 2034.82 from this zone. So it's already running in around. Once this 1 hour flipped. Sorry. Yeah. Once this 30 minute started flipping, I took the buys and boom. This was my TP. Okay. As we can see there is a rejection coming, but it's coming in like first minute of the candle, but whatsoever. I'll be risking. Let's see if we can catch like trade is formed, but it's like it started rejected in a first minute only as expected. Uh, but we are not expecting much, just 100 200 pips. That's it. That will be close to this space only, not much. Once this 5 minute, let's see. This is the easy target. These are the easy targets, right? But if it go to this, it's very high possible targets. Market come down like this and then go, or it can go directly. You never know, right? But there is a very high chance that it will be going directly. Yep, as expected. I entered it. It's running in around 50 pips now. Wow, secure 50 pips. Eventually, we entered at just 1 minute. 16.72. Wow, that's like a for 30 40 pips move, 50 pip move. Boom. Yeah, eventually it's a counter trend trade, so it is for sure. It is for sure a riskier trade, but this is what it is. We have to make money and we need to get out. Simple. 70 pips. 70 pips right there. 70 pips. Boom. Very high chance we will be moving to this, like this 1 hour will be flipping. Right. And wow. There we go. There we go. 100 pips right there. 100 pips right there. 100 pips right there. Live. Nothing can be more. Right. Nothing can be more prior. Take your partials. Must take your partials. Very easy peasy trade. Easy peasy. Very easy. We are already done for this time. Take your partials. I'm taking my partials right there. We're done. We're done for the day. Eventually, we don't need anything else. Take your partials. Yep. This is what we need. We don't need a lot. We just need 100 pips and we are done. Right. I hope everybody made quite a good money. Quite a good chunk. Let it go. Let it go. Boom. Let it go. This is what it is, brother. We make it quite simple. Simple. Very simple. 200 pips right there, 1200 pips right there. Must take your partials. Must take your partials. I have closed like one trade whole solely, and second is running in around 1200 pips. 120 pips, sorry. Easy peasy. Very easy. What else is needed? We are done. We are done for the day. Just that. We are done. Easy. Very easy. See, we don't see trading is quite easy task, but we only make it complicated. Market don't tells us to be, use this, use that. You have to be very precise with your entries, very precise with your entry exits, right? Just like that. Simple. Very simple. Like, eventually it took me years, that's why I can identify and from the place where we should be entering. Like, whole day market is just ranging for, like, it's sailing, right? We are in the, but we took the counter position, and boom, we got our time, we got our money. 100 pips is what we needed. Go to any stream and ask how many pips they got. No, nobody got 100 pips, right? I hope you learned why we took the trade. Quite simple, very simple. We are here to make money. We are not here to learn and unlearn and reconcile our concepts, right? We just need to make money in a simple way. I come, I analyze, we take trade, we make money, we are done for the day, right? Eventually, on a one lot also, if you have taken like, uh, so if you have taken this one lot, you will be making more than 1200 bucks. That's like close to 1 lakhs in India. $1200. It's a lot. Very easy peasy trade. We are done for the day. I think in like in 7 8 minutes we are done. If you think that you need a lot of time and stuff, no, you don't. You just need the right practice, where you should practice, when you should practice, right? No, it's quite simple. Very, very, very. We are very open. We should be very simple. We see you are not here to learn SMT, ICT, and blah blah blah. No, we are here to make money, right? If we are making money with this simple concepts, why we need to go over here and there and stuff? No, it's all fleshy things, right? 100 pip is what we eventually we only need 30-35 pips to make a good living, right? 100 pips is like, okay, you did something. So, yep. If anybody has any question, any queries to ask, just ask me in the comments. I'll be more than happy to reply. Then we will be turning off because we are done for the day. Anybody, anything, any questions, any queries? Let it go anywhere it want. I don't give a shit now because I took the trade. It went into profit. I booked partials. Let it run. Right. Simple. My concepts are quite simple. I don't go in a fluffy things. Okay. I think we are done for the day. If anybody wants to talk, anyone wants to ask anything, they can ask. Right. So, yep. This is market. Very prone. Right. If you are done, if you are done with your targets, I think you should stop trading for the day. You should not trade more than like one trade a day. Right. It makes no sense. No sense at all. And if you ask me how I diversify, so I took, let's say, I have taken two trades. I mean, two positions, right? So those two positions will be like of the same lot. I will be closing first position at exact 100 pips, or I will be taking partials on the way, and I will be holding one position for like whatever. Like I'm still running in one position, but it's B, right? So if it comes down again to my I don't give a shit. I'm not losing any money. I have made what my money is. This is my extra money, right? And that also I start taking partials at 1500 pips, 150 pips, or 200 pips. This is how we any good trader will diversify his portfolio, right? Eventually, I told you that I am in sales from 3482, right there, right? Once you start breaking and stuff on a 15-minute time frame. Yeah, simple. I took partials right there because I know I took partials here at 34.25, I think. Uh, yep, it's 34.25. Right, market went up again. No, market went down, 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 down. I was like, no, it's okay, it's fine because I was seeing the buying opportunities. Right, making 150 pips, 200 pips. Here, it's a easy task. It's not a big task, right? That's what it is. I think we should be done for the day. Yeah, I'm not taking any more trades. If anybody want to speak anything, talk anything, they can. Surely. If you want to know how we diversify, diversifying is quite simple. You just have to take two trades, right? Two trades, same position, same line. First trade should be closed at fixed 100 pips, right? Second trade, let it run wherever it wants to go. Whether it wants to go high, more high, more high, more high, let it go. But first trade, because this will give you a sense of security. Okay, I have made money, so it will not create a FOMO, right? That's why psychology is quite important because we need to play around the things. Market is there to play with us, but we also need to play with the market, right? No, still my trade is running, but I have taken partials right now because I see that okay, this zone is a rejection zone. It's a wick, right? It can reject from this area. This candle has no wick. It can come down again to this area, right? So I have taken partials, and there is nothing wrong in taking partials. See, it will, as anticipated, it will be doing that things. It's a wick zone. It can come down. I think it comes down for like 5 pips, 10 pips, right? But it makes sense. You should know that how market is moving. When should we enter? When should we exit? Right? As told, it's a rejection zone, and it's not a small zone. It's a quite big zone, but it rejected like 40, 50 pips, and there is very high chance that market can come down and go down again. Right? So I have to close my second position also. I closed. It's not that small accounts don't make money or small lots don't make money. It does. We just need to hold the accounts. We just need to hold our trades. We should be accountable what trade we are trading. Is this a good setup? Is this a risky setup? Right. That's what it is. Any query, any question, just ask me. Say, as anticipated. We have anticipated this, that okay, market, it's here. Market will surely, if market has gone directly to this area, it's going to take orders, right? Very high probability. What will happen? Either market will stay here, go up, right? Or it will, there is very high chance when there was a no wick, there is very high chance market will reject from that area, right? And to be honest, if you have seen, this is the one type of entry which I have. Yep, easy. Easy peasy. This is what it is. Very simple. It's, see, we can identify as a trader. If you can identify what is happening, you can easily know that okay, this is why it's happening, right? You should know that this is why it's happening. Why it's happening? Market has gone up, it has no wick. This is the type of entry which actually I have. This is my favorite type of setup, right? Yesterday we took the same setup. Market went up, it started flipping. We took the sells right at the flip and boom, done. Right. So uh, we, sh- we must know what we are doing. Okay, guys, I'll see you tomorrow. I just need to go for a run. Right. Uh, okay. I hope it was a good learning day for you all. See you guys tomorrow.